Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Black Shark 4 from the European distribution, and today I'm going to check if this smartphone has a USB-C cable in the box set. So let's quickly open it. I just did it. Of course I know that this cable is here, but I'm going to show you, so that's why I'm recording this video. You can also check other videos on our YouTube channel if you wonder about other things. So take a look. Here we have the phone with the plastic case and the USB-C cable we can find right here, also with this charging brick, 67 watts, and it got the signature orange color in the two places, here and also here. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.